LLFM stands for Life Lesson Family Meeting. This is a combination of Bible study and studying how we can apply it in our daily lives. Basically, life application. Hindi lang tayo nag-aaral ng salita ng Diyos. We should know how we can implement it in our daily lives.
May kanya-kanyang storya ang bawat miyembro na willing silang mag-share with truth, with honesty, and with trust. It serves as an inspiration.
In the life lesson meeting, yung bawat isa ay talagang they are guarded and guided spiritually through the leaders and through the pastors, kung saan hinihingan nila ng mga godly advices. They are being led to the ways of God, kung paano nila itatakol ang kanilang mga problema.
Dahil sa life lesson group mo, na-encourage ka, mas nagkaroon ng linaw, ano ba yung kahalagahan ng pag-aaral ng salita ng Diyos sa buhay natin.
We share because it's important so that we can learn from each other. Ito yung essence ng life lesson family meeting. Because we want lahat tayo sa grupo na ito to grow in the knowledge and likeness of Jesus Christ.
Mas madali yung spiritual growth ng isang Kristiyano. It is there na mas pinag-aaralan mo ng malalim ang Word of God, and through the testimony, through the sharings also of the rest of the members, doon ka nakakakuha ng mga insights.
More and more nakikilala ko si God, more and more napapakilala siya sa akin. At hindi lang yun, nagkakaroon ako talaga ng intimacy relationship with God and also intimacy relationship with my family here in Life Lesson.
Because with this, you will know na lahat tayo pantay-pantay. You will see na may mga pagkakataon na nagkakamali tayo, but then you will find out that God is very patient in us and He's faithful para tayo ay tulungan to get up again and continue our way.
Kumbaga, natututo kami sa isa't isa. Kung isang iisipan natin na mas mabigat yung pinagdadaanan natin, yung mga tao pa rin mas mabigat ang pinagdadaanan.
Yun ang tinuturo sa Biblia. We just don't know each other in the church, but we become part of each other's life.
This is not just a group. We build a family here.